Hello, Simon. My name is Oliver Yap, and I'm here to share with you a dream that's very close to my heart. My dream is to create flood-resilient public schools here in Masantol, Pampanga, Philippines. Imagine where students, teachers, and all of the community can thrive without the fear of flood disrupting education and their daily lives. This is not just about infrastructure. This is about providing hope, stability, and better future for our young minds. Now, let me take you through the challenges that we face. Masantol is a town that experiences almost year-round flooding. The 22 public elementary schools in our town are particularly vulnerable, with every school battling against the relentless floodwaters. This persistent flooding severely impacts the education of our children, as students are often forced to wade through waters just to attend their classes. To make matters worse, when flood waters are too high, classes are shifted to online platforms. This becomes a significant problem because many students do not have access to computers or phones. And even more concerning, the fact that most do not have reliable internet connection. This digital divide exacerbates educational inequality, leaving many students without the resources they need to continue their learning. Despite these daunting challenges, we have been making strides to improve the situation. We have mobilized resources and community efforts to bring earth filling to schools and have constructed elevated pathways. These efforts have provided some relief, allowing students and teachers to avoid getting wet while navigating around school grounds. However, this measure is only temporary solution, and the magnitude of the problem requires more comprehensive and sustainable approach. The main key to my dream is to raise school grounds. By filling its schools with more earth, we can elevate school grounds above flood levels. This will prevent classrooms and other school facilities from being submerged, allowing continuous and undisturbed educational experience. This solution will create lasting impact and provide a safe, conducive environment for learning. The implementation of this solution will transform the educational landscape in Masantol. Students will no longer have to miss schools due to flooding, ensuring uninterrupted learning. Teachers will be able to focus on their primary role of educating without the constant worry of water damage. The community will benefit from having flood resilient schools that can serve as safe havens during times of crisis. Ultimately, this initiative will uplift the entire community, fostering the sense of resilience and hope for a better future. Simon, I am reaching out to you because I believe in your vision of supporting dreamers and change makers. With your support, whether it be financial assistance, resources, or your invaluable expertise, we can turn this dream into a reality. Together, we can create a lasting and meaningful impact on the lives of thousands of students and teachers here in Masantol. Your involvement in this project will help us build resilient schools. Not just that, but we will also inspire others to join us in this mission. Thank you for considering my dream. With your help, I am very hopeful that we can overcome the challenges posed by flooding and give a better future for our students and teachers here in Masantol, Pampanga, Philippines. Let's work together to make this vision come true. Together, we can make a difference and give a better future for an entire community.